Email campaign isn't about blasting your entire contact list with an email broadcast. It's about sending the right email to the right person at the right time. Trust me, FluentCRM has the perfect setup for this. In our previous videos, we have shown everything you need to onboard and segment your contacts. You have also learned how to create email template. Now, let's get to creating a targeted email campaign. From the FluentCRM dashboard, select Emails. Then, click on the Create New Campaign button. Now, give a title and click Continue. This is where you can compose your email body. For now, let's just import a template we have created earlier. To do that, click Use Email Template button and select the email template you want to import. Before going to the next step, you may also want to preview your copy by clicking the I button. If everything looks okay, click on the Continue button. This will lead you to Email Subject and Settings window. Enter a subject line for your email. The subject plays a very important role in whether the email will be opened or not. You can also enable the A/B testing option and insert multiple subjects for A/B testing. Let's say we want 50% users to receive subject line A and the rest to see subject line B. With A/B testing, you can determine which subject works best for your emails by checking the result. You can add as many as you want. Next comes the email pre-header. This is the brief summary text that appears after the subject line on an inbox or a mobile device. Click the checkbox to set the custom from name and email. If you don't use it, your global email settings will be used to send emails. FluentCRM also lets you track your campaign through Google Analytics UTM parameters. To add the UTM parameters, tick the box. Campaign source, medium, campaign name, etc. are required for the UTM parameters. We'll skip this for now. When you're done with subject and settings, send a test email to your mailbox. Simply click the Send a Test Email button to see if everything is in order for your email campaign. Click Continue to the next step to add the recipient to this email campaign. You can add recipients by list and tags, dynamic segments, or even advanced filters. Choose your list and tag. You can select one list and one tag from the drop-down. You can also exclude contacts from the campaign based on a certain list and tag. If you want to use a dynamic segment or advanced filter, simply switch to the relevant tab and set your segment or filter. Once you're done choosing the recipients, click Continue to the Review and Send step. The email campaign has successfully been set up. Now, you can review all your settings in this step. If anything needs to change, you can always go back to an earlier stage and edit. If everything has been set up correctly, you can start the campaign right away. Or schedule the campaign by selecting the date and time. For now, we'll broadcast this campaign by clicking the Send Emails now. Hold on, we're not done yet. FluentCRM lets you perform post-campaign actions after you have sent an email campaign. To do this, just go to an archived email campaign and click Action. Now, you can apply tags based on subscriber activities for this specific email campaign. Let's say you want to add a tag to contacts who didn't open your email. In that case, select Add Tags. Then, choose the tag and select Option for contacts who didn't open your email. Finally, click the button to apply the tag. That's all for today. See you in the next video.